How to transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. Hey everybody, if you are trying to transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to any other wallet, first of all, you're going to have to open up your PayPal app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, the next step is to find the crypto option right on your home screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And then from here, you could use or exchange any crypto that is available here. For this video, I'm going to show you guys with the Bitcoin. Simply tap on the Bitcoin option. And then from there, you'll find the Bitcoin's current market value on and the live chart as well. So from here, you're going to have to click on the arrow option right beside sell. And then from here, you can tap on send. And the next step is it will ask you for the wallet address. So this could be any other external wallet. You just need to copy the wallet address for their Bitcoin and then paste it right here. Once you've done that, you are going to have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. And finally, you're going to have to review and send. So it includes your network fee, estimated delivery, and all of the total value. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.